when you open the box, you can see the envelope. It's like a thank you note for purchasing the bag. This is like a shopping bag, I guess. Like this. Oops. I hope you will see this more better. Okay, and this is a box with the bag itself. Okay, let's put this away. Okay, let's do this. It's my very first unboxing, you guys. I haven't seen it yet. So, my God. And by the way, sorry for my voice, I'm sick a little bit. Gosh. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking beautiful. Let's see. So here's the bag. Let's take this away. Some cards. Honestly, I saw the other unpacking of this bag and this was all wrapped up. I don't know why it came already like this to me. Was it used? Or what happened? But that's what it looks like. It's actually super cute. That's how inside looks. That's the card space for one card, I believe. Just an empty paper. Yeah. So that's the Gucci mini padlock bag. That's canvas and some leather handle and the strap, adjustable strap. I have a question to the strap. Why was it not quite let's see. You can adjust it like this, for example. Yeah, so I think here it is. It's a very cute one. I'm liking it so far, and hopefully I will make another video showing how it looks on me and my more detailed review. But that's the bag. Thank you for watching. You can like this video if you enjoyed the unpacking. And I'll see you in my next videos, hopefully. Thank you.